Yo, what is going on, boys, and welcome back to the channel with your boy Exhausted. So boys, what we're going to be doing in today's video is we're going to be taking the MX5 out for a little drive, having a good drive to be honest, and having a bit of a chat, because boys, today something really big is happening with the MX5. It's going to be a big moment in the MX5's kind of timeline, whatever you want to call it, with me. So it's big things are happening as of today. So yeah, we're going to go for a drive, have a little chat in a bit more detail, exactly what's going on, and then yeah boys, cracking on with the day. So without no further ado, we'll hop in the MX5 and go for a drive, and yeah, just chat about it in a bit more detail, boys. So we'll catch up in a bit.
Oh yeah boys, I forgot to mention a little spoiler. Jeez.
Right boys, we're in the MX5. Shit, I forgot to close up the gate. Right. Alright, hold on, I forgot my keys as well. Fuck me, mate. What a donut. Alright, right boys. So, where was I? Yeah, we're going to go for a drive and talk about what's happening, because the big thing is the MX5 today, as of after this drive boys, the MX5's going off the road for, well, I've said 6 months, but it's going to be till like the beginning of next show season, because basically I mean the turbo wheel's all running smoothly, nothing to do with that. There's a couple of small teething issues, not even teething issues, just needs to, like I said before, tighten the throttle cable, stuff like that, but nothing bad at all. But I just wanted to like completely strip the car down basically to the chassis, and yeah, my base boys, I'm getting into this too much. We'll go for a drive and we can talk about it whilst we're driving, hearing some spoily boy noises actually. So yeah, let's crack on. Ooh, that noise is sex. Mate, this clutch, I'm used to it completely when I'm driving. In reverse, still sometimes it's so notchy, mate. Like, fuck me. Alright boys, so basically, what we're going to be doing is, like I said, we're going to be stripping the car down basically completely to the chassis. And the reason for that basically is when I bought the car, paid like a reasonable price, paid £3.5, which for an MX5 is quite dear, because like the window, just in case you can't hear me too well. And the reason why I paid that sort of price was because it was completely rust free and low mileage. And I have started to notice little bits of rust in certain places. It's nothing bad at all, just surface rust. But I thought since I've noticed that, a couple of other little things, like I just want to completely strip the car back and redo everything as if it was completely brand new out of the factory today. So like completely sandblast all the wishbones and suspension, have them all powder coated, re-lights the paint and everything like that. Completely like unseal the whole underside, take chassis back down to metal, apart from the paintwork. Paintwork's nice, but we're going to be doing some bodywork things to the body as well. I won't give away too much, I've kind of given you a little spoiler already this morning boys, but I'm not telling you anything else what's happening. But yeah, there's going to be a couple of things. We're going more power as well, so yeah, I'm power hungry already. That pull was fucking sex, mate. I don't know. I wish you boys could all individually sit here with me in the car and genuinely hear this. Oh, you just don't understand. Like, I mean, the camera don't pick it up very well, so I'm sure my phone's not the best for it either. But you need to experience it to actually understand what I'm talking about. So, boys, what else are we going to be doing to the MX5? So, we are also going to be going for more power. Yep, boys, I am power hungry, all bloody ready. Literally been driving the MX5 for like what? Fuck me, man, that just never gets old. So yeah, like I said, we're going to be going for more power. Been driving the MX5 roughly about, I reckon, 3 months now since the turbo build was done. And yeah boys, I'm already power hungry, going to go for more power. What we're going to be doing is, do not have the money. I've said from the start, my goal is over 400 horsepower. We will get over 400 horsepower, not for next season. It's not happening. I can't afford to build the engine for that sort of power figure and do the drivetrain swap. So the drivetrain swap, which I need to do for that, is the BMW transmission swap. I think it's off the E36, if my memory serves me correctly, or E46, I can't remember. But yeah, basically that's like 5 grand in itself. The engine build's going to be at least 5 grand, plus all the other work which I'm going to be doing. It's not happening for next year at all, no way. So I'm going to, hopefully all goes to plan, the engine will be built and we'll have a new transmission, but we'll just have a 6-speed, because I can pick one of those up fairly cheap, like 400 or 500 quid compared to 5 grand. And with that setup, I should be good for 320, about 320 horsepower, 350 at a push if I'm lucky. We'll just have to see what it's like on the dyno, to be honest. I'm going to do quite a lot of work to it, and we're running a different turbo. But yeah, that's the goal. Worst case scenario, I'll just build the engine, I won't get the transmission, but the transmission's an upgrade which can be done, like, you know, within the next month on another payday, right? So I'm giving away too much plans, boys, but basically, you can tell a lot's happening to the MX5. So yeah, boys, let's drive home anyway, and what we'll do is we will have a little talk. I'll show you what the little setup is, and then yeah, we'll go from there, boys, and catch up in a sec. We have just arrived back at home, and yeah, basically, like I said, there is massive plans for the MX5 over the next six-ish months, for the rest of the year, basically until the beginning of next year, maybe February, March sort of time. It's going to be off the road, I think, unless I do decide to like day insure it, because I'm basically cancelling the insurance and actually taking it off the road, unless I decide to day insure it for an event or something, if it is ready. Or if like it is in a drivable condition, but it won't be for the next few months at least, because I'm going to start stripping it down. Not all doom and gloom. It's going to be faster, look a lot sicker, interior is going to be nice, but boys, you just don't understand the plans in my head. The picture I've got in my head is absolutely banging, and yeah, boys, that's what we're going to be doing. Basically, we're going to make it look sick, and trust me, it will be worth it for next year, boys. 150%. I wanted it to be ready for this season, and it was kind of half ready to where I wanted it. I wanted the turbo build to be done, I wanted new wheels on it and stuff like that. But boys, the reason why I didn't get new wheels is because things are changing, like you've seen, little bodywork, stuff like that. So I'm not sure exactly what size wheels I'm going to be getting yet. So we're going to do all of that. Wheels are going to be the last thing I put on, like beginning of next year, and once it's all done, all the suspension works and everything like that, we know exactly how it's going to sit, and then we'll get the wheels to, you know, match up nicely like that. So that's basically the plan. Yeah, let's hop out the car and chat in a bit more detail in the garage, basically where most of the build is going to be happening, and yeah, we'll go from there. This is it, the garage. It has had a massive clean up, so in a minute what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you around and basically show you all of the sort of bits which I've organised, what I've done, and basically the setup for building the MX5 over the foreseeable future. So yeah, get used to this. This is where we're going to basically be jamming. We're also going to basically be putting up hopefully 2 or 3 sheds at the end of the garden within that time frame as well, probably at the end of the year, hopefully, or maybe next year. It might be after the build, I'm not sure. But we want to have a workshop, a couple of little bits and bobs, storage one, all that sort of thing down there, which will be awesome. Let's get up, show you around, basically the setup where we're going to be working, and then I'll talk to you about the plan of exactly what we're going to be doing. You probably appreciated in that clip, the garage was actually closed. So we'll crack this open to add a bit more light in, but the lighting's not bad with it closed. I just wanted to show you boys that. And this is a bit of a mess at the moment anyway. So we've got my little TV sound, stick boys, so we can watch some Sky Sports, all that sort of shit. We've got to-do list, garage, MX5, Arosa. We're also going to have the new project down there, which you boys aren't going to know for a couple of months, but it's going to be sick, boys. I'm telling you, it's going to be sick. What have we got up here? Number plate collection, got loads of number plates there. Some pictures, glasses, when I had glasses for some reason. So set up basically all my tools, spare bolts, all of that sort of shebangs. Wiring, tools. Got a little workbench now, boys, so no one can complain about me cutting my hands to shit. All I'm going to do basically, I'm going to buy 2 little brackets and attach it to the wall either side so it doesn't come away from the wall, and that will be solid. And we'll have a little workbench in here for the time being. A couple of bits around there. More tools, more tools. Loads of paint. Little sticker mirror thing. This has got a little like, yeah, you know. The amount of money I spend on tools is ridiculous. Car washing stuff. Yeah, basically, boys. Oh, yeah, we've got some more parts up there. All my parts are inside at the moment, so I want to keep it tidy. And obviously the spoiler I showed you boys earlier. But if we kind of take a step back, I guess. Appreciate the sex. You can see it's pretty empty now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly tidy it up and get it ready for the build. So we're going to take out that bench and completely give it a little final touch up. But compared to the other day, what it was actually like, that is good. That is good. Maple, do you want to be in the video? You do, don't you? Hello. You need a buff. You need a buff today, don't you? So yeah, what we're going to do, boys, we're going to tidy the garage. I'm going to give the dog a bath afterwards because you need a bath, don't you? Been running around through the bushes, mate. What are you doing? She likes all the space as well, boys. She loves it. Hello. Say hello. No, you've had your moment of fame, have you? Right, boys. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting with the interior. So what we're going to be doing is the next video is we're going to be stripping completely down the interior, working on that, getting it all ready to start basically piecing pieces back together, basically. What the, I guess, ethos for this project is going to be, boys, is there is going to be nothing is going back on the car unless it is perfect. Even a bolt. The bolt needs to be perfectly polished, it needs to be looking brand new, otherwise it needs to be replaced. Everything needs to be perfect, and regardless of if I don't get it done in the time frame I've planned, I don't really care. I want it spotless, literally as if it's come out of the factory. And if you'd think otherwise, I'm not going to be happy with it until it's done. It's going to have to be bang on. Obviously, not come out of the factory as in stock. It's going to fucking be heavily, sorry, excuse my language, it's going to be heavily modified. Not heavily modified, boys, I don't think you understand that. But, like, as in how clean it is, I want it to be spotless. Engine bay, underside, everything. Like, arches, bang on. Literally every part. So, yeah, boys, you're not going to understand. It's going to be unreal when it's done. And hopefully be a contender at MX5 on the mud. One day, boys, we'll never know. For that good old trophy, that would be absolutely sick. But yeah, anyway, boys, what we're going to do is we are going to set up the camera on, give the garage a little tidy up, and yeah, see what it looks like, get it ready for the initial strip down. Tired because it's early in the morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, boys, so you just woken up, haven't you? Anyway, boys, where was I? Come on, Maple, you can come in. Just chill with me and we can talk to all the boys on YouTube about the garage. So basically, boys, as you can see, plenty of space in here for the MX5 now, especially we're going to be taking most of these body panels off anyway before we put her in here. So yeah, fab. Loads of space. We've got the bin, some wood, which could be for a couple of little projects, you know, and then yeah, plenty of space. Basically, already showed you around, but yeah, I've got a little complimentary darts board, boys. Let's see if your boy can bang some good darts first try for your boys. Now I don't know how this works. Actually, let's rest the camera somewhere. That's better. That's better. That's better. All right, let's bang that there. Pretty slacking, to be honest. I was aiming for 20, mate. 25, 13, 50. Shit, boys. Basically, wait, send me an Instagram. If you 3 darts and beat 50, I'll send you a sticker for free. But it needs to be first try. Alright, bam. Anyway, boys, I'm going to end the video there because I think I've been chatting for enough time now. But that light is in the way. Hold on, boys. There we go. Yeah, well, let's just end the video there because I've been chatting for a long while now. Massive thanks for watching this video. If you're stoked for the build which is coming up over the next few months, smash that thumbs up button, comment something down below. Really helps me out with the growth of the channel, and yeah, it means the world to me. The more we grow, basically, the more we can do on the channel. So smash that subscribe button and like button. Let's not forget, thanks for the continued support from every single one of you guys who watch my videos regularly. You guys mean the world to me. You guys are really, really great and really loyal. So massive thumbs up. Love every single one of you boys. And yeah, we'll all meet each other one day, 100%, I promise boys, when we do a nice big meet. Well, I've got a couple more subscribers. But yeah boys, that's all for today. We'll catch up in the next video. Until the next one, adios.